Mm-hmm.
Now I got you all. Oh. And Facebook.
Yeah.
Can I go and Google on the computer?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, I'm going on.
Did you?
Oh, my mystery.
That's all right. Did you add the items yet?
Huh?
I mean, did you see if it's showing the images?
Yeah, it's showing images.
Okay, choose the one you like.
Yeah.
Here it is.
Okay, hit add item. Oh,
What?
yep, that's good. That's good. Okay, does it work? Let's see. Rottweiler, there it is. So here's the list. Favorite dogs. Show them all. Show us all of them. So favorite dogs. You got what? Rottweiler. What else?
Well, that's not all of them.
Yeah, let's go down and see what else you got.
Cane Corso.
Okay. German Shepherd. What's that?
Akita.
How do you turn this one
Oh,
on?
good.
How do you turn this one on?
Pitbull.
What do you think, buddy?
Dad, how do you turn this?